Alright guys, Chad here at Moorhead Speedworks, and today I'm going to cover rain lights. It's an extremely bright LED, red flashing is the standard, 4 hertz. These are much brighter. It's just to cut through that extra amount of water that's being kicked up at high speeds, especially with cars with aero on them. Are going to give you that extra margin of safety when on track, to help identify exactly where our car is and cut through that spray. In racing conditions, one, you have cars that have aero, and that just kicks up more water. And then the other thing is, in racing, you're trying to get around the car in front of you, and there's probably a braking zone and like a slow corner coming up after a straightaway. You need to be able to gauge where the car or cars in front of you are. You need to be able to gauge where the car or cars in front of you are